Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our MVC channel. Today, we're bringing you an exciting fusion creation that'll tantalize your taste buds, sushi burritos with a Mexican flair. We're taking the elegance of sushi and infusing it with the bold and vibrant flavors of Mexican cuisine. Get ready to roll with us as we create a mouth-watering blend of cultures. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: large tortillas, flour or corn, sushi rice, fresh sashimi-grade fish, salmon, tuna, etc. Avocado slices, black beans, pico de gallo, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, shredded lettuce, sour cream, sliced jalapenos. Sushi rolling method. 1. Prep the ingredients. Start by cooking sushi rice according to package instructions. Once cooked, season with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, then let it cool. Prepare your choice of fresh sashimi-grade fish by thinly slicing it. Make sure it's chilled and ready to use. Slice ripe avocados, chop onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and jalapenos for the pico de gallo. Drain and rinse black beans, and shred some lettuce for added crunch. 2. Assemble the sushi burrito. Lay a large tortilla on a sushi rolling mat or a clean surface. Spread a layer of seasoned sushi rice over the tortilla, leaving about an inch of space at the top and sides. Arrange a row of sliced fish, avocado slices, black beans, pico de gallo, shredded lettuce, and a drizzle of sour cream in the center. 3. Rolling time. Carefully lift the edge of the tortilla closest to you and fold it over the filling. Tuck in the sides of the tortilla and continue rolling it tightly until you have a compact burrito. 4. Slice and serve. Using a sharp knife, cut the sushi burrito in half diagonally, revealing the colorful layers. Plate your sushi burrito halves alongside a vibrant side salad or extra pico de gallo for dipping. 5. Enjoy the fusion flavors. Take a bite and experience the incredible fusion of textures and flavors, the creaminess of avocado, the freshness of fish, the crunch of lettuce, and the zing of pico de gallo. And there you have it, folks, our delectable sushi burritos with a Mexican flair. This fusion dish truly marries the elegance of sushi with the vibrant and bold taste of Mexican cuisine. Don't be afraid to get creative and customize your own versions of this fusion delight. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting fusion recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!